Hey there, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my 24 Hopper Cobblestone generator. To make this cobblestone generator, you're going to need one lever, 144 powered rails, 3 redstone repeaters, 226 observers, 144 regular pistons, 144 obsidian, 4 note blocks, 48 lava buckets, 48 water buckets, 4 redstone, 1 sticky piston, and building blocks. I was not going to count them. I'm not sorry. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. To make a 24 hopper cobblestone generator, you have to put it on the corner of 4 chunks. So to show chunks, you can go ahead and press F3 and G, and it'll show chunks for you. Let's go ahead and hide that, and let's get started. So let's go ahead and make a little area down here. We're going to go ahead and place an observer 6 blocks away, pointing upwards, 2 of them, and then we're going to place 2 of them facing downwards. Go ahead and fill in the rest of this area. Alright. And then we can go ahead and place powered rails. I'm using powered rails because of the fact that they don't cause light updates. This thing is going to cause enough client-side lag that you probably don't want light updates. Next, we're going to go ahead and place observers facing into those powered rails, and then we're going to go ahead and have them output into pistons. Alright, and go ahead and grab a block choice. Whatever block you want to use, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and make something like this. This is where the lava and water are going to be. So, alright, let's go ahead and place a light block down here, because like I said, light updates are not good. They cause a lot of lag. And let's go ahead and enclose this little area. This is where our water is going to be. Alright. Alright, and while we're at it, let's go ahead and place down the obsidian right here, just to prevent these pistons from being pushed the direction that they're not supposed to be pushed. Alright, so let's go ahead and place down our other pistons right here. And right here. And then we can go ahead and place down our observers that are pointing into these pistons. And do the same on the other side. Alright, then we can go ahead and place down some building blocks. And we're going to go ahead and place down our powered rails now. And then we're going to go ahead and follow it up by some obsidian blocks. These also make it so these pistons right here are not able to be pushed the direction that they're not supposed to be pushed. Alright, let's go ahead and route this. So we're going to go ahead and grab an output from this one right here. We're going to go ahead and throw it. It's going to go ahead and power this obsidian block, which will then power this note block, which will then be observed by this observer right here. It's kind of a mouthful, but it works. Alright, like that. And then observer again. And that's going to put an output and power this rail right here. Then we can go ahead and place 2 note blocks right here. Those are for later use. So let's go ahead and build up 2 blocks and then over. Actually, that's supposed to be 1 higher. Okay. 1, 2, and then over. Alright. Go ahead and fill up this line. Alright. 2, 3, and there we go. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and place down our observers. You're going to have 2 rows of observers pointing into these pistons. Alright, and then copy it onto the other side. Alright, and while I'm thinking of obsidian, let's go ahead and place down the obsidian on top of these blocks. Alright, and then we can go ahead and grab our building block again, and make a line right there, and make a line down here. So we can go ahead and place down our powered rails on top of these. And that should be the end of powered rails. Actually, never mind. There's going to be 2 down here. Let's go ahead and take care of those real quick while powered rails are on my mind. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and grab an output from that note block right there. Go ahead and feed it into that. Alright, and do the same on the other side. And then what we're going to go ahead and do, 2 blocks, well, 3 blocks away, we're going to go ahead and grab an output from this top powered rail line. Go ahead and take it and feed it back down into this line right here. I'll explain why in a second here. Like that. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and set up a little thing that'll allow us to see what I was doing. There we go. Come on. There we go. Alright, so what it's going to do is it's going to fire this piston first, then it's going to fire this piston, then this piston, then that piston again. And go ahead and see it real quick. That. Go ahead and do it one more time. Alright. Let's go ahead and destroy this. This is not a vital piece. It's just so I could show you. Alright, so this is going to be where the water for the top level is going to be. So let's go ahead and place down our light sources again. And then we can go ahead and enclose the area. Grab this side. Yep. Alright, so go ahead and get this area. This is going to be for the lava on the top level. Alright. Make a little tray. Alright, like that. Alright, and I think we're actually ready to go ahead and start placing down our water sources and lava sources. So go ahead and do that. Alright, nothing's leaking. Good signs. Alright. And then do the same on this side. Alright, and for this level, I'm going to go ahead and fill in these blocks just so the water doesn't go a way that I'm not wanting it to go. If I didn't have those glowstone blocks right there that I just placed, the water would try flowing towards me, and I do not want that. Alright, and then we can go ahead and destroy those. Alright, and then we can go ahead and place our lava sources. It doesn't have to be all lava sources, it just looks better if it is. Lava's not expensive, so. Alright, so that is the system all set up. It's completely functioning at the current state, but let's go ahead and add a clock to it so we can go ahead and actually see it running. Grab that, and I'm gonna need some repeaters. Do I need anything else? Oh, the building block that I ended up throwing away. Alright. So, go ahead and go down one block, put a sticky piston, a repeater coming out of the sticky piston. Going to need some redstone also. Go ahead and make something like this, and then like that. Alright, so redstone torch right there. Redstone dust, and then three repeaters. 2 of them at 4 ticks and 1 of them at 3 ticks. Go ahead and place a lever there. It'll turn it off. So it's currently off, but we can go ahead and turn it on and we'll see it working. So bottom goes up, over, up. Top goes down, over. So, but yep, that is my 24 Hopper Cobblestone generator. And thank you for sticking with me.